Happy Sunday. It is a snowstorm in Chicago, but we are still going grocery shopping because what are we going to eat if we don't go grocery shopping? I was planning on going grocery shopping earlier today because I thought the snow was going to stop, but apparently it is back as I now look out the window ahead of me. We're going to hope that and pray that these streets are cleaned up. We're gonna go to Costco because my kitty needs to eat, and then we're also gonna go to Trader Joe's to get some stuff to make for dinner. I have not cleaned off my car. I have not even turned my car on. I actually auto started now so it could be getting warm. Let's see how this goes. Look at this. It's just, we iced. We are iced. That was very stressful. I am very ill prepared. I didn't think like, oh, you're gonna need gloves. And then I couldn't find my like car shovel thingy, so I was using my broom. It's kind of a mess, but we made it in quite the peaceful manner. So and it's not a lot of people in Costco compared to usual. So it is 10 a.m. though. So let's see. Sitting there for a reason. Grapes are bad. Trying to find protein drinks that I can go. Thank you so much. Honestly, I don't know if it's because of the snowstorm or not, but Costco at 10 a.m. is the move. And if you have the executive membership, go ahead and come up in here at 9 because it was so in and out. Like, I hate going to Costco. It's my favorite place. It's my peaceful place, but I hate going on a Sunday because of just the families. All the food is out for the sampling and stuff like that. But honestly, the sampling people were just starting to set up. It wasn't too crazy in there. I got me a parking spot right out front. Now Trader Joe's probably gonna be a different story because y'all know they small and that parking lot is treacherous, honey. So we're gonna go over to the Trader Joe's, child, and get what I need. Pray for me. We're gonna see how that go. And also, side note, it's something about a little bust down. Y'all can't really see it because it's kind of tucked away. But the type of people that approach you with a bust down versus when you wearing your fro and in your natural state, it's very telling. My natural girlies, you already know. But let's go ahead and go to TJ's, Trader Joe's. Let's go.
shy, you too shy. Cause baby girl, I like you.
It's been a mess already. People doing the most over parking spots. So luckily I got one in like 2 seconds, but a mess. Tradarius, get it together. I couldn't even vlog in there. I couldn't. I couldn't. It was tight. It was hectic. You couldn't move nowhere, unfortunately. I'm making this healthier version of rice and peas, and I need chicken stock. And I literally didn't have any. And I forget, way back in the day when I used to make this recipe, I would just get basically everything from Trader Joe's. And so I haven't made it in so long. They literally don't even have chicken stock no more. So what I'm gonna do is place a Walmart order. Now it's probably not finna be ready till tonight, but my show Real Housewives of Potomac comes on tonight. So let me, all in the camera. There we go. What's good? Real Housewives of Potomac comes on tonight. The order is probably not going to be ready until later. I am going to probably leave out to get dinner. So I'm just going to place a Walmart order now and then pick it up later, because this is not going to be ready immediately. I'm already knowing it is not going to be ready right now. And it's a Sunday, and people been cooped up in the house. Like, hey, let's just chat since we're here. Y'all, I was so mad last night. Please explain to me why. So when I was in Costco, I showed y'all that Mediterranean crunch salad. I was so excited to eat it, and that's why they have, like, in the fridge certain what do you call it, like certain places for like lettuce and for fruit and stuff like that. But when I'm tired and exhausted, I truly don't care about none of that. I do not care. So I was tired at some point. I was frustrated with how much was in my fridge, because me and my younger sister went to basically this place we go for like a pumpkin patch basically. And so they have good food at the bakery. Only one left, is crazy. At the bakery. And so basically she spent the night, and we had to stuff my fridge with not only what I got from the bakery, because you mind you, we go once a year, but also what she got. And like, I was so frustrated with trying to fit everything in my fridge. And it wasn't even like I just had so much food, but I did have like made brownies a few days before. So I was just super overwhelmed. So I forgot that I like took that salad and just threw it on the top towards the back of the fridge. Basically frozen. It was disgusting. It was gross. Like, it was nasty. It was not edible. And when you're just so excited to eat something, like you're just so excited to eat something, and then you can't even eat it, it's not even there. And as a tourist, I like to eat food. The way that ruined my whole night. And then I said, okay, let me make something else. So I made my some noodles. Like, and I don't even eat these noodles like that because they're super high in sodium. They are good though. Like the noodles y'all love that be going viral. Tastes fantastic. It's a whole bunch of salt though. I made it and it just didn't taste right. Like, I don't know, it tasted nasty. So I was just like really annoyed at how disgusting it tasted. So I really did not have a good dinner last night. Like, food wise, I was really upset last night. The only thing that saved my night was I started watching Welcome to Derry. That was crazy. And that was good. That was the only thing that saved my night. Other than that, y'all, I was so mad. I forgot to get the shrimp. I'm about to have to go back in the store. Oh my God, I'm about to cry. I'm about to have to go back in the store. I'm about to cry right now. I completely forgot to get the shrimp. That's how overwhelmed I was in there. I'm about to go back in there. After much stress, order is complete. I'm just gonna go home now. It's actually, I'm not able to pick it up tonight. Pickup is full, which makes sense given the snowstorm. Everybody getting their food today, so I just want to get it tomorrow and cook that for next week. But I would say mission accomplished.